Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you what to do if the iPhone storage is full. When your iPhone storage is full, it can slow down your device and prevent you from taking photos or installing apps. This is usually happens, like large files, apps, and cache data building up over time. And this guide will show you how to free up storage on your iPhone effectively. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Then tap the General. Choose iPhone Storage. Then review what is taking up the most space. Tap Unused Apps and select Delete App. Enable Offload Unused Apps if available. Now open the Photos app. Delete unwanted photos and videos. Then go to Recently Deleted and empty it. Return to Settings, then tap Apps and open Messages. Set messages to keep messages for 30 days. Delete large attachments from conversations. Clear cache or clear history in apps like Safari if possible. Then restart your iPhone after cleanup. Tip: using iCloud storage can help free up space without deleting important files. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.